Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. At first open the settings, then find and select Biometrics and Security, click on Fingerprints and draw your unlock pattern if you already have one. Then click on Continue. And now it's time to scan your fingerprint. If you do not have any pattern, pin code or the password, you will have to create it and then just provide your fingerprint. So just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. So just lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor. And that's it, just click on done. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.